Los Angeles, the dazzling city on the West Coast, and Israel, the gem of the Middle East. Two worlds apart, yet strikingly similar. Each holds a unique allure, a blend of culture, history, and innovation that sets them apart. Picture Los Angeles, a multicultural metropolis known for Hollywood, beaches, and vibrant nightlife. It's the city of dreams, a melting pot where creativity and diversity thrive. Now imagine Israel. Despite its size, it's a powerhouse of innovation, steeped in history and tradition. From the ancient walls of Jerusalem to the high-tech hub of Tel Aviv, it's a nation that beautifully marries the old with the new. While Los Angeles basks in the Pacific sun, Israel is caressed by the Mediterranean breeze. Both, however, share an entrepreneurial spirit, a love for arts, and a passion for sports. Two distinct places, each with its own story. Los Angeles and Israel, a testament to the beauty of diversity and the power of unity. A fascinating tale of two cities, each worthy of exploration. Isn't it wonderful how distance and difference can still breed similarity? That's the captivating paradox of our world. And remember, travel is the only thing you buy that makes you richer. So where to next?